ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. Today I have chosen a poem from a 4th standard Savi Kannada textbook, and this poem was already done, but unfortunately the most of the words and the explanation were in Kannada, and most of the students and parents they couldn't follow. I really apologize for that one and sorry for the inconvenience. So this is another repeated version of the same poem Kannadamma harake from 4th standard Savi Kannada. I hope this will be useful for you, and also I want to request you, if there are any kind of things like this, if you come across, please do let me know. Sometimes without knowing, unintentionally, so nothing is done by intention, sometimes it happens unintentionally, and I am receiving a very harsh messages from the parents, which is really not required. Please be a little humble. I don't do anything intentionally mistaken here. Sometimes it will happen unknowingly for us because of a work burden. Instead of English, I might have used Kannada. Be a little humble with the comment. So I never gonna say no for any of the repeated videos. So it's a request from my end. So please don't be harsh, and please don't hurt me. It really hurted me. Few of the messages, I really felt bad. Okay, coming back to the poem now. Kannadamma harake. We'll start with the Kannadamma harake, 4th standard Savi Kannada textbook. I request you all to sit in a quiet place, wear your phone, take the textbook, keep the pencil, and we'll start. Kannadamma harake. Kannadamma. Here the Kannadamma means the god of Kannada language or Kannada land, Karnataka land. Harake is a blessing, the blessing of that Lord, blessing of that goddesses. Here the goddesses is a female. Okay, so Kannadamma, Amma. This poem is written by yaru Kuvempu avaru, Kuppalli Venkatappa Puttappa Kuvempu. So we'll start with the poem. Kannadake horadu. For the Kannada you have to fight. Horadu, fight. Kannadada Kanda. Kanda is a baby. So which Kanda is a baby of a Kannada? Kannada land, Kannadamma. He is the one who is born here. He is the one who speaks the language. So for them, they are saying, the poet is saying, you have to fight for Kannada. Oh, baby of Kannada, Kannadamma. Kannadava kapadu. Kapadu under protect. Protect the Kannada, the land and the language and the culture. Nanna Ananda, my happiness. Ananda is a happiness. Jogulada harake idu. Jogula is a lullaby. Harake is a blessing. So this is a blessing, blessing or a wish, harake. I gave during a lullaby. When I gave a lullaby for you, when I sang a lullabies for you. Mareyadiru chinna, don't forget this. Mareyadiru, don't forget. Chinna, with the love we used to call like a chinna, like a baby, we call chinna, like a deer. Marate yadare, if you forget, ayyo, maritante nanna, it's like you're forgetting me. So here, the poet is saying, instead of a Kannadamma. So Kannadamma is saying to every Kannada child, I have told you something, I have given you some blessing, I have asked for some wishes. Okay, so please don't forget that. If you forget, it's like you're forgetting me. Moleya halantante. So mother, a new mother, whenever she has a baby, what does the baby will drink? The baby will drink the breast milk, right? So moleya halu is a breast milk. Savi jenu baige, for the baby, that is like honey, sweet as honey. Savi jenu andre savi andre sweet, jenu is a honey, bai andre mouth. So for the baby, the mother's milk is like a sweet as honey. Okay. Taya appuge yante, tayi is a mother, appuge is a hug. Balu sogasu maige, balu sogasu, very beautiful. Balu is a very, sogasu is a beautiful, mai is a body. So here they are describing the language and the land is as sweet as a breast milk, as good as beautiful like as a mother hug. So there is nothing comparison for the breast milk and the mother's hug, right? Guruvina nudi ante, Guruvina old nudi, Guru and the teacher, old nudi, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾತು. Does any teacher teach us a bad thing for us? No. So all the teacher will teach a good thing for us. So the language is like a good thing, like a quote, a words from a teacher. Shreyassu balge, Shreyas, a good thing for our life. It's a great thing for our life. Tai nudige dudidu madi, for the language. Tai nudi is a mother tongue. the native language, you have to struggle, you have to work hard. Dudi, work hard. Madi, die for the land, die for the language, die for the country. So this poem is basically patriotic poem. Iha paragalelge, so everywhere, iha paragala yelge. Iha para andre, iha is here on the earth. Para is on the paraloka. Okay? Iha para. ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲಿನ ಬದುಕು is ಇಹ ಪರ. Okay? ಇಹ ಪರಗಳ ಏಳ್ಗೆ. So you are here on the earth, you have to work for the country, and that is a good. ಅಂತ the poet is saying here. ದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಕಂದಯ್ಯ, they are like a pleading. ದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಕಂದಯ್ಯ, ಬೇಡುವೆನು ನಿನ್ನ, I am pleading you, I am begging you. ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನ ಹರಕೆ, whatever the wish of a ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮ, ಮರೆಯದಿರು ಚಿನ್ನ, never forget that one. ಮರೆತೆಯಾದರೆ, if you forget that, ಮರೆತಂತೆ ನನ್ನ, sorry I missed I guess, ಮರೆತೆಯಾದರೆ ಮರೆತಂತೆ ನನ್ನ, it's like you forgetting me. ಹೋರಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ, you fight for a ಕನ್ನಡ, ಕಲಿಯಾಗಿ ರನ್ನ, ಕಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೀರ, brave person ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರನ್ನ is again with the dear ones they used to call. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can just let me know. Comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ comment ಮಾಡಿ. I hope I made clear with I gave a very simple and the basic explanation which will be easily understood for you, which will be easily understandable for you. Doubt idre you can always comment ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು or write an email to me at yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. Thank you so much. I'll meet you with one more video. Namaskara. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.